ready for a day in the life video. So yes, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you'll subscribe so you all can see most of my videos. And yes, so I'm excited. I haven't vlogged in ages as usual, but today I'm going out. We're going to Georgia Street Market in Belfast. So it's my first weekend here. Well, actually it's my second weekend here. The first weekend, what happened the first weekend? I don't remember what happened, but we didn't do anything at all. I literally did nothing. I think I was just getting ready for work and all that. Plus I had a really bad cold and I was really sick. But now gonna go out and see what Belfast is all about. It's not my first time here, obviously. You guys have seen my earlier vlog of Belfast. But yeah, so this is my new room and I'm in my new apartment. So this vlog might be a house tour and a day in my life, a mix of both. So I can't wait to show you guys. The thing is, I'm not fully unpacked, so I don't want to show you guys the house when it's not done up properly. So once I've unpacked, I'll give you guys a house tour. I really like the house. It's 2 rooms and a bathroom, a living room, a little balcony outside. I can't wait to show you guys, but let me just show you guys what it looks like from my bedroom. So yeah, so I'll take you guys with me now and I'll see you in a bit. And this is the apartment, so we go in. I have my bag there just because it's easy to pick up when we go. All the shoes are lined up here. There's also some shoes in this, but I'm not going to open it because this is where, like, this is one of the storage areas. So I have a few shoes inside and all the luggage and everything else. The boiler is also inside here. As you walk in, there's a room. This is the smaller room. So this is my room. As you enter, you can see there is a little balcony with a door so you can go outside. A little picture here, and it's quite a big and spacious room. A double bed. So it's really cozy vibes, which I like. I like how the bed sheet kind of matches the wall and it gives a really good look. So right next to it, so I'll just show you what the view looks from outside. So this is what it looks like. We're pretty much in city centre. I haven't used the outside, which is why it looks really dusty, but it's too cold to use the outside. And that's me. So we have a cupboard here. So this is the mirror, but we have a cupboard. I find that the cupboard space is not enough. I have some of my tops sitting out here, but it's not really enough cupboard space, so I have to keep all my clothes in different places. I've got the projector here. I usually watch Netflix here, so the projector is up on the wall here and it's pretty good, actually, quite handy. So I just inserted a clip of what the room looks like when I have the projector on and I'm watching a movie, just so you have an idea. It's quite good, it's quite big, and it worked well.
Go. Period. You know, period.
Oh, I love that.
To the juice.
To the juice.
Mm.
This is the double room, a little night lamp. So unfortunately, my camera, which I took out to film, died. So the battery died, so I have to charge it. So I'll take you here. That here is the bathroom, so it's quite handy. The camera I was using, I need to charge the battery. These are all my perfumes. These are just some accessories. And here is the makeup stuff. Another little mirror. Picture of my mom and my dad. By the bedside is the laptop, the speaker, because I usually use a speaker to connect it to projector to watch movies, my earrings that I wear on a daily, a bottle of water, and my 2 eye masks that I use. It's a must for sleeping. I have the laptop charger and my computer charger and everything at the bedside to make it easier. And yeah, I find that the room is very cozy and really nice, so I really enjoy this room. It's literally my favorite place in the whole house, obviously. And now moving on. And here is the bathroom. It's quite big for a bathroom in the UK. Usually I find that the bathrooms in UK are really tiny. So we have the shower here and a little sink and a mirror with all the toothpaste, mouthwash, my face wash. This little cupboard over here has all the little extra stuff I have. That's pretty much it for the bathroom. Again, this is where we enter from. The bathroom, we only have one bathroom. And here we go. So that's my room done. And now we walk into the living room. So I filmed this bit earlier on and I realised my camera was on a different setting and the whole thing is yellow. So we're redoing the whole thing again. So this little place is the dining room table. This is where you see my laptop there. So this is where I watch the living room sofa. Barely use it. Sometimes I do when I have the projector on and project it to that wall there. The little door there, this little door is to the balcony. I'll show you in a second. We've got a little table here with a lamp on, and so this is pretty much what it looks like. I really like the window because it does bring light in, but it still doesn't bring too much light in, but I guess that's because of the weather and it's been really gloomy, so that's why I've been finding it really hard to actually make this video, because every time I want to make this video it's always dark and gloomy and there's not much light, so it doesn't really help. That little area there is the kitchen. I'm not going to show you too much because it's pretty messy, so I don't want to show you too much. So that's the little kitchen there. You walk in this door, my jacket's there, ignore the jacket, and the cute little table. And this is pretty much my living room and the kitchen together, and the view outside I'm going to show you in a second. If you seen earlier on, I showed you the little balcony, so this here is the same balcony, and you can enter from both my room and also from the living room. Barely ever use it, it's too cold, literally too cold at the moment. Maybe in summer, but I don't know, we haven't stayed that long. This is the view from the apartment. Literally so close by. This is the trade market, so there's people always here, especially the weekends. And the place where I'm pointing to just here, if you walk down, there's a Nando's there as well, but if you keep walking down, if you walk 5 minutes, you go to the city centre. There's so many food shops, so all the shops you see are pretty much food places. There's Tesco nearby, everything's close by. Very convenient, very handy, and the view is really nice as well. So guys, this is my outfit, and so I got this kimono top from Shein. I ordered it a couple of months ago, and literally just black pants and a black top, and shoes from TK Maxx. Yes, so unfortunately I haven't unpacked everything, so most of my clothes are in boxes still, and this is all I have. So we're gonna go with it, and maybe tonight I'll unpack the rest of the stuff. So we're at the market, and there's literally a place for meat as well, but there's dessert. It's actually really big. Literally the best find of, let's see. Take a look at these pictures. This is like a typical picture of Ireland. We just came all the way to Belfast International Airport just to go see a car. So we're planning on buying a car, but we don't know. Well, I don't know what to look for. I literally ran for the bus and I'm so tired. Trying to catch my breath. Anyways, trying to look for a car and I don't really know what I'm looking for, but hopefully we see the car. We see 2 cars today. Well, obviously I can film all that, but yeah, there's one car that we really like. So hopefully that car is the car, but let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. The only problem is it's a manual car and I don't know how to drive manual. I need to get my UK license here, so we have to wait for that. But yeah. Erica's here for the weekend, so every time she comes we go to this restaurant. It's a Chinese restaurant called Chili House and it literally has the best food ever, like no joke. So we got some fish, I have no idea what the name is, and this is salt and chili chicken, which is one of the best dishes here as well. And that's Eri smiling awkwardly for the camera, and she's so down with me. So guys, I was just editing the vlog and I realized I didn't close it off well. So I'm going to close it off now. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And see you guys.